Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to bundle products on Shopify. Just you have to go to products. So click on the product option. So now here go to inventory, and now after this here you can add the numbers, and now click on save button. Now click on view products. It will be appeared on top. So now what next to do? Just we have to move to the settings. Now in the setting option just click on apps and sales channel, and now here what we need to do, just click on customize your store. You can find on the top side button. So just simply click on customize your store. After that, now here search for the app Shopify fundamental network. So now install this app. Just click here and now click on add app. So now wait for a few seconds. This app is being added in Shopify. So now when successfully you added this app, click on explore the app, and after when you click on the explore the app, you can see the new tab is appeared. Wait for a few seconds. So now here you can see the option manage your inventory. So now click on select existing product from your catalog. So in this way you can easily bundle products on Shopify.